Good morning, students. Let's start today's topic with a beautiful thought. जीत और हार आपकी सोच पर निर्भर करती है। मान लो तो हार होगी और ठान लो तो जीत होगी। मीन्स हमें अपने काम पर हमेशा लगे रहना चाहिए और लक्ष्य को ध्यान में रखते हुए काम करना चाहिए। Now, today's topic is relational algebra. Relational algebra is an algebra which work on relation, that is on tables. So there are some specific operations in relational algebra. Those operations are select, project, Cartesian product, union, set difference, set intersection, natural join, division, etc. In these operations, some operations will work on a single table. Those are called unary operations, and the operations which work on more than one table, that is two table, those are called binary operations. So the first operation is select. This select operation is unary operation, as it selects the tuples, that is rows, from a table. It is represented by the Greek letter sigma and is written like this. Here it is written sigma price more than 14 within the bracket item. This items is a table which is written in this within the bracket. So it will give you the rows from the table item where the price value is more than 14. You see here, this is the table items. Here the condition is what? It will give you the price rows where the value of price is more than 14. So here the price is 15, 16 and 15. So these three rows is the answer of this select operation. Now next is project operation. Project operation will provide the columns from the table, and it is represented with the special character, a Greek letter, that is what? Pi. And it is written here pi, then the name of column separated by commas, and within the bracket the name of the table. So here it is a suppliers table, and there are two columns that we want to display, sub underscore name and city. So this is the table. So sub dash name and city. So this is the result of this project operation. This is actually now here. Now the next operation is Cartesian product. Cartesian product, basically it is a binary operation, and it will represented by the cross sign, that is what? Product sign. And if there are two relations A and B, that means there are two tables A and B, then the Cartesian product is written like A cross B. This A cross B will having the number of columns is equivalent to the number of columns of first table plus the number of columns of the second table. Here the student table there are three columns, 1, 2 and 3, and similarly in instructor table there are three columns, 1, 2 and 3. So the result of student cross instructor is a table which have 6 columns, 3 plus 3. And similarly the number of rows is equivalent to the number of rows in the first table multiplied by the number of rows into second table. So there are two rows here and two rows here. So the final table student cross instructor will contains 2 into 2, that is 4 rows here. You just see. So this is the first table, and I want to do student cross instructor. In that case, the first row S001 Meenakshi and Y of student table, and the first row of instructor 101 Kelal and English. So this whole will make first row. Similarly, the first row of student table and the second row of instructor table will make the second row. Just see S001 Meenakshi, Y102 RL Arora and Mess. Similarly, the second row of this and the first row of this and second row of this and the second row of this instructor table will give you the final table of cross product, which is an important one. So now the next is what? Union operation. Union operation will provide you the two values, the table which will having all the values of the first table and those values of second table which have not common. So like A union V will contain all the values of table A and those values of table B which is not common to A. But one more condition is there, that both have the same degree. That means the number of columns in A and the number of columns in B will be same, and also the attribute is also same. So here you see there are two tables, drama and song, and the columns are also roll number, name and age here and roll number, name and age here. So if I want to drama union song, then or song union drama, it may be. So all the values of song, these three rows, and this kush 15 13 kush 15 is a column common, so it will not taken from this drama table because it will be already taken from song, and the 17 Swati photon. So this whole will give you the result as a whole of A union B, that is song union drama. So this is the union operation. It is a binary operation, because of that it will use in for the two tables. Similarly, set difference, that is A minus B. A minus B will contain all the values of A which is not common to B, or you can say values of A which is not in B. So here if I want to say drama minus song, so the rows of drama table which is not in song table. So this you can see this 13 kush and 15 is common, so it will not taken in A minus B. So the final answer is what? Swati 14, 17 Swati 14. This is your answer. And similarly, this is the result. Now the set intersection, as you know, it is the opposite of union, and intersection is what? It will contain the common values of both the tables. So here it is drama, song, and the common is 13 equals 15. So this is the answer of A intersection B, or song intersection drama. So this is the end of the today's topic. So we have studied today select, project, intersection, union, set difference, and Cartesian product. Thank you.